G'day legends. You got yourself an 80 series and you want access here? Well, today we're going to install Gullwing doors from Yoda Tech.
Windows.
Alright, so we've got the glass out. Now it's time to convert it over to the Yoda Tech Gullwing door or window. Right, I'll save you the agony of watching it in real time and speed it up. Thought it was important to show the whole process of the conversion. The Gullwings are made by an American company called Yoda Tech. They cost $1,400 US, so factor that into the current exchange rate and add duty on top, plus postage. Yeah, they're not cheap. So why did he choose Yoda Tech? Basically, it was the way they went together. The latching mechanism and the lattice work underneath that allows you to bolt things to the underside. He is going to put things like a first aid kit, torches, a machete, knife, and a paper towel holder, etc. It will also give him fast access to tyre deflator and the compressor when it's time to hit the tracks. You could even use it to have fast access to the fridge. With the 80 series, opening the rear doors is a pain. You need to open both swing arms, then the upper and the lower doors just to get at the stuff in the rear. This should make life a fair bit easier. Install time is roughly 1.5 hours each side, including cleaning up the frames and the rubbers. Only one small modification on the existing frame is needed, and basic tools will get the job done. We use the rope method to get the rubber back on the frame, then again the frame back in the car. It's a two-person job as you need two people to put it back in. One on the inside pulling the rope and the other on the outside lining it up. There are other suppliers. Emu Wing is a local supplier made in Australia. That could be another option if you're interested. So here we are fitting it back up. I'm on the outside lining the window up, and the owner is on the inside pulling the rope to get the rubber over the edges. You pull it around and it just locks itself in place. Then it's all pretty much done and dusted. Open the windows, you beauty. Time for a beer. Righto, so the Yodo Tech Gullwing doors or windows, whatever you might want to call them. Very simple. Press the buttons and they open up. Now the beauty about these doors is they have this lattice framework inside, which enables you to bolt things to it, and also much easier access to the inside of the vehicle. So you can store stuff here. On the other side is the fridge. It means you can open the fridge without having to come around the back and open both the swing arms to get at the fridge. Pretty good. And that there's the owner. Say hello. Alright guys, so that's it. As always, you're meant to like, subscribe and share videos. I don't know why, but apparently it helps. If you've enjoyed the vehicle and the video, cheers.